will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot using QnA Maker. So let's get started. So we'll be using Azure Functions as a trigger point to connect to WhatsApp chat. Now we'll go with starting the Visual Studio, create a new project. So make sure you have the template available for cloud. So under cloud, you'll find Azure Functions. So click on Azure Functions. Next, I'll give the name as WhatsApp bot. So I'll create it. I'll select the Azure Function version 1 and I'll use HTTP trigger, because whenever any message is received in WhatsApp, it will send a post request and this function gets triggered. So I'll give the function name as receive message. Looks fine. Now let me remove this code and I have written the code. I'll paste it over here. So this is the code I have copied. So these are the QnA credentials. You have to put it here. That is endpoint URL, endpoint key, and knowledge base ID. So let us import all the necessary packages using system. So let us install the Twilio. Let me do it at a later point because we need a particular version of Twilio. So now whenever any message is received, you will receive an HTTP trigger and this code will get executed. So we receive the data, we convert it as a string, and we get the body content. So body content will be containing the text received in the WhatsApp, and we send it to the evaluate message to get the QnA answer using this text. So in the QnA Maker, this is the API call I have used, and we get the answer from the QnA Maker. And using the deserialized object, I am getting the answer in the object 0th index. So this is a model class I have used. Now let us import Twilio. And install the Twilio manually. Go to dependencies, manage NuGet packages. Now this seems to be fine. Now all the dependency errors are gone. So let us publish our project. You right click on project, publish. You publish it to Azure. Next, I'll create a new Azure function right here only. And I'll choose the plan type consumption. Location, I'll use Southeast Asia. And Azure storage, yeah, fine. Create. Our Azure function is created. I'll be selecting the Azure function and click on finish. After your Azure function comes over here, you need to configure your storage device. I think I'll directly publish it. Make sure you configure the storage amount you have used for this bot. If you are using the existing storage account, then also it's fine. This just for the demo purpose, I'll be keeping as it is, no changes. Publish has started. So let it get finished. I'll go to Twilio console. I'll not be saying how to sign up and create account, but I'll be directly, I hope you have done it already, I'll be directly logging in. Once you log in, you'll be coming up to the dashboard page. After your dashboard page, click on all products and services, click on programmable SMS, and click on WhatsApp. Now I'll be joining my WhatsApp conversation using joining code join cadalungs. So send away message. So these are all the like learning how to send and receive messages. So I'll directly move to the last part, configure your sandbox. So in here you have to provide the URL, that is the webhook provided by the Azure. So let's see whether our deployment is successful. Yeah, our app is published. Now go to Azure, go to the resource group, select the application, select the function we have created. So there is a function we have created and deployed. Go to the functions, and this is the name of the function we had given in the code. Click on it. Click on code plus test. Then get function URL. You copy this URL, paste it in when a message comes in. Since I have not used the QnA configurations, so I'll be using my old URL, function URL. But the process is absolutely same. If I had used my QnA configuration, I would have directly tested using it this one. So I'll be keeping my function as it is, and since you have to paste it over here, and after you paste it, you save it. Once you save it, you can test it using the WhatsApp. You save this number and join the whatever number is provided by the sandbox. You save the number in your phone directory and chat using code provided by the sandbox. Yeah, thank you.
Guys, now let me tell you how we can test it in the WhatsApp. So this is my joining code I'll be writing here. This is my join cattle lungs is my joining code, so I'll send it. And this is the initial message. Now my sandbox is set, and now I can send and receive the messages. So I'll say hi. Hello there. So this is the response I'm getting from QnA Maker. So I'll tell who are you. I don't have a name, but I'll respond to anything you say. So there's a like a caring conversation template which is provided in the Q&A maker. So I've used that template and I'm getting response from that template from Q&A maker. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.